Meanwhile, media organizations are urging those who belong to the so-called Gen Z to do their part in combating disinformation in the country. Shane Acobo of the Philippine Information Agency Region 10 has the full details.
With the 2025 midterm elections nearing, media organizations are urging the youth belonging to the so-called Generation Z to take a proactive role in combating disinformation. During the Scholastic Outreach Program on Media and Information Literacy in Cagayan de Oro City, Probe Managing Director Jen Aquino stressed the importance of youth in shaping the election conversation. Aquino emphasized that while Gen Z may not yet be voters, they have the power to influence the electoral process.
Kung hindi man kayo maging fact-checker, maging truth defender kayo.
Meanwhile, Asia Democratic Chronicle Editor-in-Chief Tess Bacalla discussed the role of social media in elections, especially its impact on voters.
Kahit hindi kayo mag-aabuga siya, bantayan nyo yung mga ordinansang pinapasa sa Cagayan de Oro. Kahit estudyante kayo, because sooner or later, one way or another, you will be affected.
While the challenges posed by social media in spreading disinformation are significant, both Aquino and Bacalla believe the youth hold the key to positive change by actively participating in conversations around truth and fact-checking.